Nobody's going to argue about health inequity or some of the issues you just talked about. So here's the question, Michael. You have
Okay.
a unique perspective. How do we fix it? How do we educate people? And whether it be going green or getting a checkup for diabetes.
Well, I certainly don't have the answers to that. I can tell you the way we address the inequities in small business. The first thing that I did in building a mentor protege program for small business was to ask the small businesses what are the key impediments that they have in getting access to contracts. And we listened, right? And when we listened, there was a lot of bias around how people on the other side of the table looked at them and felt about them because in the small businesses' minds, because of their color or because there was lack of trust. So the guy on the other side of the table didn't trust the small business, not necessarily because of the business, but because of the person they were looking at, the person they were talking to. They didn't believe them in terms of what they were saying, their capacity or their capability was, regardless of what was said on the paper. And so
Mm-hmm.
there was this situation of not being able to connect. And people like to do business with people that they trust and people they like
Yeah.
to work with,
Yeah.
so
Absolutely.
so they were being impacted in that way.